Hi guys, hello my friends. Look at this. Look where am I staying. This just a field because I'm finally in my home village where I spent my entire childhood. And this is the number 25 of my challenge. I will speak English every single day on camera, no matter where I'm staying in this planet Earth, or I'm in Moscow as it was in the past, or I'm right now in my village, somewhere in the fields, in the middle of nowhere. Just no one is here. No one. There is no cars. There is nothing. Guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nothing, in completely silence. I can speak. I can witness here. I can witness. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Remember this, guys. Веселая Лопань. That's where I'm from. And right now my goal is to visit my grandma. Behind me, in the back, there's Веселая Лопань, my village. But I'm going to another village that's nearby two villages. It's called Dolbina. And I'm gonna visit my grandma because I haven't seen her for a long time. I'm saying, just like meeting. I'll probably eat some lunch what my grandma cooks for me. So just spend a good time, just relaxation in village. Yeah, sometimes it's really useful to visit place like this, to visit your home and recall this atmosphere. Recall where you're from, recall your relevance, your old friends, and just realize that in Moscow, life is completely different. Here in village, it's much more calm and peaceful. Pace of life is much slow. I'm saying, no one here is going to become extremely rich, to visit other countries, to anchor the world. To just people here just live their lives and enjoy every day how it goes. Truly, you can do anything here. I can literally go to a field right now. Look at this. Look at field, and I can go to a field and this. Let's go to a field. I'm in the field. You see this? I'm in the field. Tomorrow I'll already be in my Moscow dormitory room and will record video from there. But now, today, plan for today, just take a break from all this business and spend time with the friends. I'm gonna with my grandma, take a lunch, some maybe talking in some different lifestyle themes. And then I'll go with my friends play football. Obviously, because I love football. And then something in the evening, I don't know, probably we'll just walking with my friends. Yeah guys, let's spend time in nature. Let's get some digital detox from this news, from the world, from internet, and chill with the nature, with the fields, with the sky, with this wind. But it's great. Alright guys, have a good day everyone, bye bye.